Hey, how you doing? This is a brief tutorial on how to create a PowerPoint presentation. With our computers on, if we go to the Start button and click on the Start button here, we should have a pop-up that shows the programs that are in our computer. Then we'll select all programs and scroll to the Microsoft Office. Then from there we'll select PowerPoint. This should open the PowerPoint presentation program. Here we would go to the Office symbol here and click, and then we open new. Then there's a variety of templates that are available to us to create a program. For this presentation, we're going to use a blank presentation or a blank template, and we're gonna choose from this pop-up the format that we would like our slide to take. Let's choose this one, and let's name this slide How to Prepare a PowerPoint Presentation. Okay, we can then choose a font okay, this one seems good. Then we choose the size of the font. Okay, this one also seems perfect. Then we can also choose the color of the font by going here on this red A and click. There's a variety of colors we can choose from. Let's choose this one, orange, and there we are, the title of our slide. Now we go into the body and we go and insert, and then let's say we are going to put a picture here. This will open our pictures folder, and we go to our album and let's click open and select one. Let's select this one, click insert, and it should appear here on our slide. We can make adjustments, make it bigger or smaller by just pulling on the edge or pulling in, and we can move it around by grabbing it. Can tilt it sideways or the other way, or we can leave it square, but let's tilt this one a little bit. And then we can move it around. Let's grab it here and move it there, or we can move it back down here, or we can move it around. Okay, let's go back to home. First of all, no, let's go back. Let's name this Island View. So we go to text box, insert, then text box, and we draw a text box here, and we'll type Island View. Okay, and then we can make some adjustment to our font by making this size a little bigger. Okay, and a little wider. Okay, put it on this side so we get it to fit in one line. Move it down a bit. Okay. Okay. Oh, there we go. We can also change the color if we'd like. Oops, let's make this. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's choose this color. Okay, there we go. Here we have our first slide. Now let's go to new slide again and insert on a next slide, and let's name this one slide 2. We'll do the same thing for the font. Choose a font, and let's choose this one. You can also change the color right away, like this. Okay, there we are. You can make it bold, you can make it italic, or you can underline it. These are options that are available. Okay, let me go to insert again, and let's go to clip art here. Let's type in forest and see what will come up. We can just doing a search, and okay, here we have an example of forest. Let's select this one. Okay, then we can make it bigger or smaller by simply stretching it from these little squares, or make it bigger by just grabbing or pushing these round circles and the edges. Okay, and let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, and grab it and push it here. Okay, and let's name this forest. We go back to our insert text box and draw our text box and type forest and adjust our box. Let's adjust the font first. Okay, let's go back on the okay, then we adjust our font. Okay, that seems good. Put it in the center here. Okay, it's about center. Okay, that's our forest. Let's change the font to a different color. Okay, that's good. So this is our slide 2. Let's insert another slide. Let's go insert a slide. Okay, let's name this one slide 3. Okay, and we do the same thing. Change the size, the font, the color of the font. Okay, this one is okay. Let's use this one. Okay, we could also change the size of the font. Let's go. Yep, let's click the okay. Let's change the font size. Okay, that's good. Narrow in our boxes. Okay. Now let's go to our body and let's go back to insert. And let's use shapes for this one. There are many shapes available here, so let's choose a few. Let's choose a star. Let's place it here. You can move it around or make it bigger. Okay, let's go back to shapes and choose something else. Okay, let's choose this one. Make it okay. Let's choose something else. Shapes. Scroll down. Okay, let's choose this one. Yeah, that's one. Yeah. Okay. There we are. Let's arrange them a little better. Okay. Okay, this is our. Let's name them shapes. Go back to in text box and draw a box and type in shapes. Okay. Adjust the font and adjust the color of the font. Okay, that should be okay. Okay, let's insert another slide and name this one slide 3 or slide 4, I'm sorry. Then we can increase the font and add color. Let's choose let's choose this one, and we can shape our box to whatever suits us and center it or move it around in any way that suits us. Then let's go to the body and let's insert something. Oh, let's go to symbols. Symbols are very important. Sometimes you have fractions or other characters that are not so readily available on the keyboard, and we can get them from here. A typical example of fractions. Fractions, we can select some fractions, insert, and close. Let's go back to symbols. Let's choose plus or minus. This one we use sometime in mathematics. Let's choose percent and insert. What's there? Let's go back to symbols and let's see what else we have here. Let's scroll down a bit. Let's scroll down some more. Let's go. Okay, let's use this one. So this is just to show you that there are some things here that are available to us in case of they are not available on the keyboard. Let's add in some. Let's go back to insert. Oh, we're already there. Let's add some shapes. Let's put some circle. And there we go. Let's put a circle. Notice we can make it bigger or smaller. We can move it around. Or we can change the shape. Let's go back to our shapes and let's choose a triangle. Stay in that figure. Choose a triangle. We can move it around, or we can place it wherever we want it. And let's go back there and choose one more. Let's choose one of those with arrows. Let's see. Okay, yeah, let's choose this one and put it here. Okay, and let's go back to let's go to text box and name it shapes. Okay, and we can change the fonts and the colors and let's change this. Change the color for the font. Okay, so it's our fourth slide. Before we finish, there are animations that we can add to our slides, or design. Let's go to the design first. Design, and let's choose one of these. Let's choose this one. Okay, this one. And click on it and it should appear there. And let's readjust, because once we put in we might have to rearrange our slide just so that to make sure that we have everything fitting the correct way, the way we want them to. Okay, let's go to our next slide. And this one seems pretty much intact. Oh, this one needs some adjustment. Okay. Alright, our final slide. This needs to go up a bit. Okay. Okay, we might have to change the color for this. The shapes is, let's change the color. It's too dull. Go back here and choose a brighter color. Okay. There we are. Okay, there's also animations that we can add to this slide. Let's go to animation and add in a few animations. To do that, we just click on the slide and the animation. And that one was assigned to that slide. We can change from either slow, medium, or fast. Let's put it to medium. Okay, let's go to our next slide and do the same thing. Select a different animation. Select medium again. Let's do that for all slides. Okay, medium. The last slide. And select a different one. Let's see this one. And medium. Okay. Now we can also add narration to our slide. If we go back to slideshow and go back to record narration, click OK, and tap here. Now it asks us whether it should start from the current slide or from the first slide. We want to start from the first slide, so we'll select from the first slide. Now we should have a recording of what I'm saying on our PowerPoint presentation. So this is briefly some basic features of the PowerPoint that are available for use in creating a presentation. Let's review what we have done so far. Let's go back and see what we have here. We're going to end our recording. It asks if we should save, and we save it, and then play to see what we have done. This is our presentation that we have done so far. That's a brief, view of the slides that we have created so far. And this again is a simple review or tutorial to show us how we can use PowerPoint in demonstrating how it functions, how it works, just how to record a brief PowerPoint for whatever use we choose.